So, hello people of the world. I've been a bit slow making videos recently because the last 2-3 weeks have been rather miserable. I'm not going to go into why. I've been having issues that made me feel very lethargic and lacking in energy, but this is a video I wanted to make a while ago. So in the BBC on the 10th of October, it was broadcast. So in London, they reported that wind speeds were going to be over 13,500 miles an hour. This was just kind of hysterical. At that speed, I think everything would just be obliterated. Rome is a bit slower, and in Nottingham, the temperature, as you can see, was 404 degrees centigrade. In New York was 384, and Sydney was 378. Sydney's 378. So, yeah, in Edinburgh it was over 17,000 miles an hour. So I think even Edinburgh Castle would probably get pulverized. But yeah, that speed, buses, lorries, people, everything would just get, dogs, they would all just get blown through the air like leaves. Trees would get flattened, everything would just be blown away and flattened. I think bridges would probably be blown away as well. Just, that must be at least 35 times faster than the most powerful tornadoes, and probably about I think 7, 8, 9 times faster than the speed of sound, so it's getting pretty fast. 378 degrees centigrade. So at these temperatures, 400 degrees and 318 degrees, everything, all living organisms would just be boiled to dust. All life would just be destroyed. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees, and that kills everything anyway. So everything was dead in Nottingham that day, and everything in New York and Sydney, all living organisms and people and trees and bees and birds and plants, and all the water in the rivers and lakes and ponds would all just be boiled away, and everything would just be boiled to dry crisp. You certainly don't get 1,000-mile-an-hour winds on Earth. So I don't know what wind speeds can get to in the Antarctic, but I doubt it's more than 400 or 500. Anyway, yeah, some extreme weather that fortunately didn't actually happen. It was an error. So I thought it was quite funny. And 13,000 miles an hour, all buildings, Westminster, Big Ben, Houses of Parliament, all terrace houses, everything would just be obliterated. 13,000 miles an hour is about 6 times faster than the speed of sound, and it's about 30 times faster than the most powerful hurricanes. So the most powerful hurricanes are pretty damaging, I think. Sorry, tornadoes, not hurricanes. The most powerful tornadoes are pretty damaging, but imagine something that's 30 times more powerful than that in terms of wind speeds being 30 times faster. The most powerful, my plumber today asked me what the most powerful wind speeds are on the planet. I think the most powerful tornadoes are around about 400 to 500 miles an hour. Maybe 450 miles an hour, 400 to 500. You don't even get 1,000-mile-an-hour wind speeds on Earth. It's just, we're not turbulent enough. So yeah, it was pretty windy that day. Everything was completely destroyed in Nottingham and Edinburgh and in Glasgow and London and these other cities. Everything was just completely destroyed. It was a glitch in the aerodator.